guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is another LV unboxing. This handbag that I'm gonna show you guys has a little bit of the story and there's a little twist, but I've decided still to show you guys and unbox this together. So the package came in from I believe this was in Maryland somewhere. I know I purchased this from the LV store inside the Saks Fifth Avenue somewhere in Maryland. I don't know exactly where, but let me just open this up. And, yeah, there's a little twist to that story, like I mentioned. So the let's see. So this is the box. I haven't opened obviously yet, so I'm just gonna show you how it looks. All right, and there is a Louis Vuitton box right there. So here's the box, you guys. I assume the receipt is inside because I don't see in the outer packaging. So let's do it. It's such a beautiful packaging, but let's just do it. There we go. The ribbon is off, and oh yeah, she put the receipt in the inside. So as you can see, this is going to be a quite small handbag. And just before I show you guys, I have never seen this particular size in person. I've seen it obviously on the pictures and over the YouTube, but yeah, this particular size I have never tried, and so let me show you what I've got. Ta-da! So this is, wow, this is bigger than I thought. So this is the favorite MM, in the size MM. I did try it years ago, size PM. I didn't think they had an MM back then. But the MM, I guess it's the newer size, correct me if I'm wrong. Wow, this is really nice. There is some stitching here in the back and like two little buttons, and I guess there's still maybe some protection sticker in here, and it's a very plain bag. I mean, this is just like one space and the little pocket, and she did include the information. If you guys are looking for this bag, is impossible to purchase. I tried so many times, over the internet, and here's the other card that came with, like a typical. So yeah, it's a very nice handbag and comes with the long strap, and I can tell right away that the strap is a lot shorter than my Eva clutch, and it comes with a very similar, it's pretty much identical chain as the Eva clutch has. So yeah guys, so this is the favorite MM. Now I was never really a big fan of this kind of twist. I just don't understand why wouldn't they put another hook like this. It just doesn't make any sense to me. But here's the twist, you guys. Let me just take my glasses off. This handbag is not for me. I might purchase this for myself at some point, but the reason I'm kind of questioning if I really need it is because, I'm sorry for the noise, I have my Eva clutch, and I really wanted to see and compare how this both bags looks. Those are very similar, as you can see here on the side, has very similar pleats, but obviously the favorite is larger, as you can see, and the Eva clutch has a zipper and this one has a flap. So here's the explanation, you guys. I purchased this handbag for a friend of mine who's she's trying to purchase this bag for months, and she only purchased before a Neverfull, but it was like a pre-owned kind of handbag that she got, so she has no prior purchase history. Every time we go on the internet and we try to order this bag, it's just out of stock. So she called 1-800 number, and you know, they told her, yeah, we can ship it, but you have to have, you know, if they ship it from the store, you have to have a history of purchases. And because she've never purchased anything from louisvuitton.com or Louis Vuitton store, she has no history. So she asked me kindly if I could buy this bag for her. I was on the waiting list at that Maryland store that I told you guys somewhere for 3 or 4 weeks, and I really truly thought the lady completely forgot. But yeah, I mean, she gave me a call one beautiful day a couple of days ago, and she said, hey, your favorite is available. So I was very happy, and I wanted to unbox this and just to show you guys in case you were looking for one. The best idea is just to put yourself on the waiting list, and you know, if I feel like I want this bag at some point, I can probably do this. I did put myself on the waiting list for the pochette accessoire in a size 26, because you guys know I've been looking for it. But because I have that Eva clutch, I don't think, what do you guys think? Do I really need this favorite? Yeah, I know it's very difficult, you know, because it's a beautiful bag, and I can tell that it's a lot bigger, but I can still fit quite a bit things in my Eva clutch. So and you know, like I said, it has very similar kind of features, right, with the chain and the long crossbody strap. So this is the favorite that it belongs to my friend. She'll be picking it up in a couple of days, and I was very happy that I was able to buy it for her. And you know, let's see, where was it made? It says Louis Vuitton Paris, so it was made in the US. You know, it's a very simple bag, but that's really what she wanted. So I'm very happy to do it, and she you know, she told me that I can go ahead and unbox it in here, and just to show you guys in case any of you is looking for this bag, because apparently this is very popular bag these days. So anyways, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you haven't seen my Louis Vuitton handbag collection, I'll link it down below, so you can go ahead and see my, you know, all the handbags that I have from Louis Vuitton. And yeah, if you have any questions, please let me know, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye guys.